this video. Seville in the rain. Beautiful building, isn't it? And so you can see everyone's got an umbrella because it's raining. About the 4th of December and it's 2023. So if you think you're coming to Seville in November, December for good weather, well, you do get good weather. Well, it also rains. I think it's been raining off and on for 3 days. But it's still raining now. So they're big on Christmas, you know, being a Christian country. So there it is. Our Lord and the 3 wise men who lost their way. So normally this area is crowded with people, but as